Hey there! You can use flashcards for this lesson to remember everything you're studying. Links are in the description. Also, support kids in need by donating to St. Jude. Link below. Thanks so much. Let's begin. Spam is not a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. It wears different masks, each with its unique flavor of annoyance. Here are the most common types of spam you might encounter. 1. Commercial spam. This is the classic spam you're likely familiar with. Unsolicited messages trying to sell you a product or service. These messages often serve as unwanted advertisements in your inbox. 2. Non-commercial spam. Not all spam is about selling stuff. Some senders use spam as a means to promote their ideologies, worldviews, or causes. These messages can be equally unwelcome. 3. Malicious spam. Perhaps the most sinister of all. Malicious spam aims to fish for your personal information. These messages can trick you into revealing sensitive data, making them a severe threat. Spam presents multifaceted challenges for system administrators and users alike. Here are some of the primary issues stemming from the spam deluge. 1. Security concerns. Spam often contains malicious links or attachments, putting users at risk of falling victim to scams, malware, or phishing attacks. 2. Resource utilization. All those spam messages have to be stored somewhere, consuming storage space. They also eat up network bandwidth as they transit from sender to recipient. 3. Elevated costs. Dealing with spam doesn't come for free. There are costs associated with storage, security, and the implementation of spam management systems. To put things into perspective, let's explore some examples of spam messages found in a personal spam folder. 1. ATM card delivery. Scam. An email promising a $7.5 million fund delivery, but asking for personal information, including full names, address, and telephone numbers. A classic phishing attempt. 2. Unsolicited advertising. An unsolicited email from a third-party company peddling a heated vest. However, the sender seems oblivious to the fact that the recipient resides in a warm climate. This message is a prime example of unwanted commercial spam. Dealing with spam requires a multifaceted approach. Consider these strategies to keep spam at bay. 1. Implement defense in depth. Employ a layered security approach, combining various measures to create a robust defense system. This approach makes it more challenging for spam to infiltrate your network. 2. Next-generation firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. These solutions can proactively identify and block potential spam messages, preventing malicious content from reaching your systems. 3. Antivirus. Software. Robust antivirus software, such as Symantec, can serve as an additional layer of protection. It can detect generic JavaScript attack signatures and thwart malicious scripts. 4. User awareness. Educate your users about the risks of spam. Encourage them to be vigilant while browsing and to report any suspicious activity. Email gateways and spam filters play a pivotal role in spam prevention. They serve as gatekeepers, scrutinizing incoming messages for specific characteristics. These characteristics might include allowed list. Ensures that only emails from trusted senders are allowed, preventing untrusted messages from reaching your inbox. Standards compliance. Filters can identify messages that deviate from email standards, RFCs, and block those that don't comply. Reverse DNS. Performs a reverse DNS lookup to verify that emails are coming from legitimate IP addresses, helping to filter out suspicious messages. Tar pitting. Slows down email server conversations, making it difficult for spammers to flood your network quickly. Recipient filtering is another effective technique. Spammers often send messages to any address they can find, even if those addresses don't exist within your organization. By automatically rejecting messages sent to non-existent recipients, you can significantly reduce the volume of spam entering your network. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to combat spam. A combination of techniques, robust security measures, and user education is essential to create a strong defense against this ubiquitous digital nuisance. Keep in mind that the battle against spam is ongoing, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate the complex landscape of modern cyber attacks and ensure a cleaner, safer digital environment. Remain vigilant, and you'll be better equipped to protect your organization from the deluge of spam. Thanks for watching. Help children in need. Donate now to St. Jude. Link in the description. Together, we make a difference.